Hey guys, it's EXE Gamer here. I'm here, and you think that I'll be probably just only playing games a lot, but this video here is about my dog. He's been sleeping right there under that blanket because he's not been feeling very well. He hasn't been drinking no water. I didn't give him no food. In fact, he wasn't even eating his food at all because he was poorly. He's going to the vets tomorrow. Just hope he gets better. I mean, can you hear him doing that? He's been doing that a lot. Poor Big Mutt. He's only a puppy as well. Hope he gets very well. Also, guys, I have made this new YouTube channel, for like a couple of days now. Only got like 2 videos uploaded. Did both YouTube and Facebook. He's really not feeling so well, so I've been down here all day keeping an eye on him. He's had his calf Paul. I gave him that warm blanket that was from the radiator. Should be keeping him warm right now. He's sleeping very well. And he's got a very dry nose, and that's not good. Dogs are meant to have some wet nose on them, but he's got a dry nose at the moment because he's poorly. When we take him to the vets tomorrow, we're gonna give him a checkup. I once took him to the vets, and I once recorded it on my old video. On Star Sponge. Made about 202 videos, but I never made a good hit of many subscribers. I only had 14 subscribers on that video. Poor puppy. I'm in my house, just sitting on the stairs, watching him sleep. Alright, I'll just end it here. Like and subscribe.